Hey guys, welcome to one of my first tutorials. And today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the coating mechanism off of your hand cranked aerated siren. The stator screws off, but it's locked right now, and you have to get this screw right here. You have to have a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm using this one that came in a stem kit. So you can loosen it and take this part off. Remember to keep the spring and the spring attachment and the screw together. Put it off to the side, and then what you can do is finally unscrew. And how you remove the coating louver from the stator is you just pull it off like that. And then you can just screw this back on. Now that screw from earlier locks the stator on. If you want to, you can do that, but I didn't keep it on because I want to be able to unscrew the stator and put it back on to show people how a siren works. But if you do, you can just screw it back on. Oop, dropped it. And you can just lock it again. But there is something I need to tell you. These rotor blades are sharp. This is kind of like finger protection, but I sliced myself because my finger slid into the stator, in between the rotor and stator. And you're going to have to keep this and this part for later, just in case you want to put it back on.